Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Isaiah, and in this video we're going to recap what we have done today. As you can see, the account is sitting at $52,445. Another up day in the market. I was hoping for a down day, but I kind of figured with the news on tariffs and things that it wasn't going to happen, but that's okay. This is an income generating account. Our goal is to collect passive income through selling options or some dividends to achieve our financial freedom. For those that are new, we sell puts, which means we agree to buy a stock for a predetermined price, and we sell calls, which means we're agreeing to sell a stock for a predetermined price. In either scenario, we collect a credit. So we didn't open any new positions today. I don't like opening new cash secured puts on up days. I like them on down days. So let's go to our trade history. We sold some covered calls as well as we rolled some positions. So we collected $18 from rolling NIO short put. We had agreed to buy it for $5. I didn't feel like buying it yet. So I just rolled the position, collected $18 from that. Riot, it was a $9 put. I decided I want to give myself some more time. I collected $34 from that. AEHR, we rolled a covered call. I didn't want to sell those shares just yet, so I rolled the position, collected another $34. And then Iris Energy, we rolled that position and collected $40. We had agreed to buy the stock for what price? $6.50. I didn't feel like purchasing yet, this is the $8. Didn't feel like buying it for $8, so I rolled the position. As you can see, just this contract alone, our realized profit is $298. So this is just one example how you can sell a put and then just continuously roll that position. When you roll the position, you're keeping that same strike, but you're extending your expiration out farther. So I went from 5/16 to 6/6. So about 3 weeks. I gave myself a little bit more time. And overall, these two contracts have collected me $298 in realized profit. This is just one example of rolling a position for a while, collecting the income from it. It will outpace any dividend fund. Just roll those positions. Haynes, they had bad earnings last week. That's okay. So we have a covered call on them, but I didn't feel like letting them go just yet. I decided to roll that position out and collect another $16 from them. And then finally, FCEL, we sold a covered call for $5 strike, which means we're agreeing to sell FCEL for $5 per share. I don't really want to sell it for that price. I'll probably roll it. But just starting the contract, getting it everything open. Like I said, we collected around $163 today from current positions. We probably won't open any new trades until at least Wednesday. We'll see what we collect on dividends. As I say, our weekly goal is to collect $550 each week. So we don't want to overtrade, don't over leverage, don't put yourself in a position where you feel vulnerable. So once I hit that 550, we're really only rolling, and we have quite a few positions that we might still roll this week. We will see. These cash secured puts for $5 strike for ARY, we're going to need a really big rundown to be able to roll this. So $5 put, which means we agree to buy it for $5. Well, it's currently trading at $6.84. Unlikely that we get to roll this position just because it's so much higher than we're agreeing to buy it for. Kind of same with Bumble. Both had decent earnings, and in an up market, decent earnings mean it runs. So probably won't be able to roll either of those positions. Bumble, it's the first time I've ever played that. ARY, I've played it at different strikes, so I like that stock between that $5 and $6 range. ULTY, I do not want to sell this stock for $6. I'm hoping that it comes back down a little bit. Otherwise, we are going to roll the position regardless, but it would be easier to roll and collect more credit if it would come down. Same with FCEL. I really need a pullback. Same with Iris Energy. All these stocks had run-ups, and I don't want to sell them for these prices. That's the downside of quick run-ups. It just shoots above your covered call strike, but that's okay. Again, we're making money on our premiums that we collect on both sides, so we'll continuously work to grow the account that way, and just because it's an up day Doesn't mean we can't make plays. It just, for me, I capture more premium when it's a down day. But with that being said, we're continuously trying to grow, and I appreciate every one of you, and I will see you in the next one.